So I have these lights that I use to record my videos to get lighting. Like a two-prong thing, you can twist it and position it anywhere, but they stopped working. So I used to wiggle this. So I used to like do that, and then they used to work, but now I get nothing. So I'll plug it in. Let's turn off this. So there's a little bit of light, but nothing. So let's try and fix it. I mean, what's under here? Here, it's just the LED. I doubt anything's wrong in there. So let's put that back. Go for the remote controller wire thing, this thing here. Right. I think these must be dodgy or something. So let me quickly open this up. Right. That's easy. Come on. Oh, would you look at that? Look at that.
What the hell is even that?
Look at that. Right, you got red there, black probably goes to the Y. So it should be an easy fix. It looks like there was a wire on the W. I think these two are ground and they must be connected to each other. So, because they both converge through this and go to this point. This one looks like it's isolated on this. At least this one goes straight there. This one looks like it goes either there and then it goes there, or goes here as well, passes through there. So I'm guessing W and Y are ground and the positive is just a positive. So I'm guessing that both of the red wires go here and both of the black wires go there. Oh my days. Look at that. Solder must be really low quality. That's good. Okay, one down. Okay. Pull that rubbish off. If it will reach. That's in. And that's in. Plug it in again. The light is on. Yes. Yes. Wired it up. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. It feels way more solid than before. Put tons of solder on it. And 1 second. And yeah, I don't see this coming apart. So I'm just going to put it on. This feels nice and solid now, this piece here. You know, turn it on. We have 1 light, 2 lights. Nice. Take care and see you next time.